You know, the hardest thing about this sometimes is when you're drawing, you'll start second guessing what you're seeing. You know, like you'll see the shape, but you want to do more. Our tendency to want to add more to something. You know, see, like right here, I'm starting to get a little warmed up, so my lines are starting to get a little bit more deliberate. But something about that, you know what I mean? Adding too much to the picture makes it not as that's cool. Okay. I don't know how mine did this. Let me see. He has like one of these noses like this. I don't even know what the he's got like a you know he has a small mouth for sure. Like that. Those are his things in here. And then we got let me see. Got something like this here. All right, let me see here. I think this thing is not showing me. Hold on a second, guys. Oh, that doesn't matter. All right, let me see. Oh, you know what? I feel like a different vibe on tonight. Oh, that one came out cool, man. That's his essence, man. That's his essence. That's his essence. I draw differently when I use one of these. I like Sharpies because they make you get right to the point, man. You can't cheat with Sharpies. See these markers right here, you can cheat with these. You can make extravagant lines and try to hide behind the lines. But with Sharpies, you either gonna get it right or you're not. So that's how it goes. Let me see. That's cool. I like it. He's got the square shoulders, right? Vince Vaughn. That's his name. Hey, right on, Ty New York. Thank you, man. Doesn't that look like him? Yeah, look at that face. That's him right there. That's Vince Vaughn. If I looked at that, that's who I would think that was. There's nobody else that could be but Vince Vaughn. I'm like, man, that's Vince Vaughn. So wait. Let's do this. Let's get our Sharpie. Let's get this other Sharpie out. Once again, one of those markers you can't hide behind. So let's do this. Watch this. Watch how simple I'm gonna make it. I'm just gonna color it in. I'm gonna color it in with the knowledge of dimension, right? Because this is what's making him look like. See the darkness on the hair right there, right? And then the eye shape. You got the eyes right there, right? Do something like this. Look at that. We got the black shirt going on. Okay. He's like, that's a cool drawing now. I get it. Let's see. All right, look, we're going to do a little bit of shadows here. Look, right there. Look. Look. Simplicity, man. Oh, it kills. It kills. Man, that's it right there. It's nothing else. Hey, look, I don't need to do that. Whoa, that looks like Vince Vaughn for real right there. Okay, so I'm done with that one. We're going to, hey, look, Vince Vaughn. We're going to frame it. All right. Vince. I think it's Vaughn, right? If I'm not mistaken. We'll just make it look like that just in case I got to change it. I think it's something like that. Okay. I'm going to sign my work real quick so nobody can take credit for my work. Look at that. That's, Vince Vaughn. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like.
Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So, guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.